Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about post-COVID hair loss. So you might have a doubt that is that true? Does really hair loss happen due to COVID? So the straightforward answer is yes. Since last week around 6 patients reported to us with a complaint of hair loss after they recovered from COVID. Similar cases were reported all over the world. A lot of studies were published about post-COVID telogen effluvium. So let's see what is telogen effluvium, how COVID is responsible for this, and how can we manage this. This is not a big lecture, I'll simply explain this, and I want everybody to understand how COVID is affecting your hair. Now let us see what is telogen effluvium. So the simple answer is it is an excessive shedding or falling of telogen hairs. Then what is telogen hair? See, every hair will have a lifetime, and in its lifetime it goes through different phases, like how humans have childhood, teenage, middle age and old age. In a similar way, every hair will have 4 phases. The first phase is an anagen phase. It's an actively growing phase. Whenever you notice in your scalp, at any time almost 85 to 90% of hairs will be actively growing. Then it will enter into second phase, catagen phase or transition phase, and then it enters into telogen phase or the resting phase or a retirement phase. So the hair will last for 3 months in this phase, and then it will shed off by breaking all its connections with the surrounding structures, and a new hair will start growing beneath it. So let us see now what happens in COVID. Whenever you get infected with coronavirus, so there is lot of physiological stress to the human body. So what happens is, due to the physiological stress, lots and lots of anagen hairs, almost 30% of anagen hairs, all of a sudden they want to take rest. They want to retire. So the 30% of hairs suddenly enters into telogen phase, and we all know that the hair lasts for 3 months in telogen phase. So whenever you get infected with coronavirus and you get COVID, you will have most of the hairs in telogen phase. So after you recovered or after the infection of coronavirus, 3 months from that time, you will see all these telogen hairs will start shedding off. That is called telogen effluvium. You will see a lot of hairs coming out in clumps or chunks of hair coming out whenever you comb your hair, or you can see in your shower. So that is called telogen effluvium. So first, don't worry, it's a self-limiting condition, but still it is advised to have some hair vitamin tablets and to have diet which is rich in protein and iron, and to have few sessions of hair growth injections which might help in the growth of newly growing hair. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.